Are you tired of jumping in and out of trades with no real results to show for it? You're not alone. Many new traders face the same struggle. But here's the good news. Successful swing trading isn't about luck, it's about following a proven set of rules. In this video, I'm going to break down the essential principles that top swing traders use to stay consistent and profitable. Whether you're just getting started or looking to level up your strategy, these rules can help you start making smarter moves, and more importantly, winning more trades. Let's dive in. Welcome to the Money Map. This is the place where we talk about smarter money moves, trading strategies that actually work, and how to build real, lasting wealth. Whether you're looking to grow your portfolio or just starting your financial journey, you're in the right place. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on tips that could level up your financial game. Let's get into today's video. Swing trading is all about capturing those short to medium-term price movements in the market, usually holding a trade anywhere from a couple of days to a few weeks. It's a great strategy for people who can't sit in front of a screen all day but still want to actively participate in the market and grow their portfolio. Unlike day trading, which requires constant attention, swing trading gives you more flexibility while still offering solid potential for profit, if you follow the right rules. Essential rule number 1. Have a clear plan. Never enter a trade without a clear plan. Before you click that buy button, know your exact entry point, stop loss, and profit target. This isn't optional, it's essential. Successful swing traders don't rely on gut feelings or hope, they follow a strategy. Trading without a plan is like driving blindfolded, it's only a matter of time before you crash. Emotions have no place in trading. A well-defined plan helps you stay focused, disciplined, and consistent, even when the market gets unpredictable. Essential rule number 2, use technical analysis. Learn how to read charts. It's a skill every swing trader must master. Support and resistance levels show you where price might bounce or reverse. Moving averages help you spot trends and potential entry points. These tools aren't just fancy lines, they're your edge in the market. Without technical analysis, you're basically guessing, and guessing doesn't build consistency. The more comfortable you get with reading charts, the more confident and strategic your trades will become. It's like learning the language of the market, and once you speak it, you'll see opportunities others miss. Essential rule number 3, control risk. Only risk a small percentage of your account on any single trade, typically 1 to 2% max. Because even the best traders have losing trades. Risk management isn't just a part of trading, it is trading. It's what keeps you in the game long enough to win. Blowing up your account on one bad trade is a fast track to frustration and burnout. Smart traders protect their capital first and focus on growing it steadily. Remember, consistency beats big wins that come with big risks. Control the downside, and the upside will take care of itself. Essential rule number 4, be patient and consistent. When it comes to trading, it's important to understand that you won't win every single trade, and that's perfectly fine. The key to long-term success is consistency. Focus on sticking to your system, following your plan, and trusting the process. Trading isn't about winning every time, it's about letting the probabilities work in your favor. By maintaining a disciplined approach and staying patient, you'll be in a better position to see positive results over time. One of the best ways to improve as a trader is to track every single trade you make. Note what worked, what didn't, and how you felt during the process. Keeping a trading journal is an incredibly powerful tool that can fast-track your growth like nothing else. By reviewing your past trades, you'll gain valuable insights into your strategies and mindset, helping you identify patterns, refine your approach, and avoid repeating mistakes. Over time, this practice will make you a more disciplined and successful trader. Swing trading success isn't driven by luck, it's all about discipline, having a solid strategy, and making smart decisions. The key is sticking to your plan, managing your risks, and executing each trade with careful thought. By consistently applying these principles, you'll start to see significant improvements in your trading performance. Success in swing trading comes with time and practice, but once you commit to these rules, you'll notice the difference in your results. Which of these rules are you already following? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. And if you found this helpful, Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading tips, only here on the Money Map. Stay tuned for more insights that can take your trading journey to the next level.